Wahala just burst for inside Lapido market. This market, what we know say Nigeria, they say all this like car things and the rest. We gotta say some military men and traders and union people for that place. Now there wahala burst between them. We gotta say this military man go there say he go buy some spare parts and no come to buy the spare parts no work when don't buy and since. Later now he come back say he won't come return the thing. He bless na there. Arguments come burst so wahala come. Before we go see, shooting don't start to the guy. Wahala don't start. And we gotta say, now the union people first. And these traders, now begin first beat this military man. Before himself come go gather in boys, come. They can't start to destroy this Lapido. If na see wahala, if na see shooting of gun, my people beg, make na follow me watch.
As you can see, this is Lapido. The Navy people, they are here. Disturbing us because of street attack. They have been shooting, they have gone through people down. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to Lapido. Yeah, I'm going to Lapido. I know. The Lapido na chundi ami also. Obrobeli Lapido na hot. I am of a kechi adio. Come on, glass in my door. Hey!
I beg all this one on top waiting. See, person we don't die now. I saw saying a stray bullets. I go meet them. Person we don't know anything. We don't even know head and tail of this whole spare parts matter now. Go come there, they come die inside this whole matter. But on top of this whole matter, what would they yarn on top this Lapido? Oh, now yeah, this Air Force people. They talk say in fact it's what them they do. They don't do anything wrong. Say in fact they only act professionally. Say they answer to distress call. Now they hear me. Say as them they go there, they hear say fights they happen for there. Now there them they can't carry themselves go there before they go see them. These traders don't carry stone. Begin the stone. Say even their own officials they gather. I beg which story we won't believe. Who we won't believe for this kind of story now? But on top all me I won't talk say. To they shoot on a enter market. What in a carry gun go for? She mean a market and I won't go buy. What in a can carry gun go there for saying I won't go shoot person. This whole shooting now, you don't even reach the top of anything. So until we be saying I go call the head of this market person, make it help them settle the thing. Follow them talk for the language where they understand. Be na Igbo, be na with Igbo. Follow them talk on no reason all those ones. Now gone, now come be the next one, now come start to the shoot. And I just say now because the time where these military people go shoot inside like it, because they don't punish them. Now make the sabi misbehave. Any small thing they go to misbehave, forgetting say they wear military uniform. So because of that one they go to get more. I beg what they work in this our military people. Oh now don't they too much and people don't even complain. Small thing I don't carry person, I don't kill them. This place no be war zone. Lapido market no be Boko Haram zone. So if say na no say fight the hunger in a photo students make they deploy na carry na go Boko Haram side make na go dey fight for there. No be say na come enter Lagos. Say na there na wan go dey fight. Make na dey chill all this military make na dey chill because now it come be like say I don't know be na the Igbo way that they smoke inside camp na dey affect on. Because now the way na they misbehave they kill people. It don't they raise alarm. It be like say now all the military people they supposed go do on a check up. Check what they really worry on to know say okay on a day fine and no day fine. Because this matter now it don't do too much. But my people this whole matter I hope say the death no go even pass 2 or 3. Because one they see na just one, but I hear say more than people even die there plenty. But I hope say no go too much because you know our content now wahala will start because of all this one. Make no come be like say they try pursue Igbo people because you know say this Lapido market now Igbo people food there. And all these military people they be house make no come be like say now because of one and tribalistic war now they won't come start again. But my people beg I hear this one I want make I bring and come making a service now here waiting they happen. Anything in a film make no forget to comment for the comment section. Then make no forget to like and share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Explosion just happened inside Dubai shipping port. This shipping port will be the largest shipping port inside Dubai. What do they call them? Jebel Ali Port. They talk say the container wey explode for this place. It be like say it carry something wey be say explosive items dey inside. Because before they go see, this thing just burst. Just one container na there, e just start from, e just come out small small before they go see. The whole container wey dey on top of this thing, e don catch fire. I come dey wonder, then these people wey carry this explosion put on top of this ship, una no check wetin dey inside, abi na just carry am say because of say na wan do business, na make na carry this kind thing. Now wey the thing don explode now, wetin I wan come tell people? My Naija people and other people wey na dey do business inside Dubai, I hope say na don call na customer. Make na market no go enter one chance. So my people abeg, make na follow me watch.
Damn. C'est un délire.
Things just dey happen anyhow. But as we gather am, their authorities dey talk say this explosion wey happen say e no too cause any katakata. Say the thing wey even happen sef, e be like say lives no die, people no die. Na just the normal things wey dey around that side na im just spoil. But I come dey reason am say, what if say person market even dey inside this? Because I sure say people market sef go dey. And people wey dey around the eyewitnesses dey talk say this kind of explosion say in fact e shake, the house is shake, wall shake. E mean say the kind things wey dey inside this container na something wey be say I no even know be na bomb. And make na no forget, they just even award Dubai as the second peaceful country. Second, I come dey reason am say una sure say this kind thing plan no dey inside, abi set up no dey inside. Because how something go just dey? Una know this, una check this thing. If una know say this kind thing na explosive, una go find where una wan carry this thing pass. No be where una know say people business. This one na go just let people business money go. But I trust Dubai wella. I know say their own insurance go don cover am. This thing wey even explode, I no go surprise sef within some few months, abi some few weeks, they don already build am. E no be like some other countries wey be say na now we go dey beg God, we go dey write petitions for them to build this kind thing. But I hope say they go put the necessary things in place for all this kind of explosion, because it can't be like say this thing now, it don't dey over happen, it don't dey very common. Maybe we go start to dey beg Baba God, wetin dey happen? E no tey, one born for here, e no tey another one born for another. Now na inside Dubai again, na another one don dey happen. But we just dey thank God, say person no dey there. Say nobody dey there, we no come hear sef say person there, abi something happen to person. Or maybe they never even do their research well, because this thing happen for night. So maybe they never gather and well say person die. Because if person die, this one sef go turn another wahala. A whole shipping port. In fact, I even feel say this fire e no spread because of say wetin water dey around this side. Say if say na one place wey be say other things dey, I sure say this thing for even pass as we dey hear am like this. But my people, I hear this one, I come see make I bring am come una side, make una sef use una ear hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no forget to like and also share this video. I go see una for our next video.